I'll first begin with a thank you. Thank you so much, Sonika and Kunal, for getting such a beautiful team together. And they are extremely matured and learned and very real people. So very nice to get along with the group. I've always done DEI in segments, self-learning, reading, year work, but this is a structured approach for understanding the whole concept in a proper framework. So it helped me the content to be practically oriented as well as get theoretically inclined towards the whole concept. And the more you get to know, you just know that you don't know enough. So that thanks for getting that into our head that yes, it's just the beginning. And yeah, lovely speakers, and lovely thought process. Thank you to each of partners of here who have shared their thought process so beautifully without any apprehensions, without any fear of getting judged. So thank you for bringing us all together. I will miss the class, Friday class. Thank you so much.
Best part of the entire journey is, the assignments I like the most. To be very honest, I said you earlier, even I was sharing with my, senior, my reporting authority, and I was trying to tell him that basically the kinds of assignments which give, so these are not very generic assignments, very specific assignments related to the organization. So you would have to think, put your head, brain, and then speak to people, find it out what is that I'm gonna, present it. Because, I was sharing with Krati today during the discussion that my presentation in total has become 52 presentation. 52 slides rather, and that is going to be a whole journey. And tomorrow, once we embark into a journey of DI strategy or maybe implementing DI here at Infra, so that is going to become my like Bible. So that's the best part which I liked, and very important, like the way it is being, the sessions are being conducted. It's not more of presentation, bringing the deck and all. So it is more of interactions, understanding, sharing information, brainstorming, breakout rooms.
A big thanks to all of you for this journey. Today what I know is, I think I was thinking हमें तो ये सब पता है, हमें तो सब पता है DEI में कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं है. But when I really have walked on this journey, I think मुझे ज़्यादा नहीं पता था. And now I have really started reading while people talk, understanding things in a different manner. Just to share with you, you have once shared about the judgment, conscious biasness exercise that we were doing. So I met a girl yesterday, and I started with my general thought process, and then I, arey nahi, I don't have to do this, just chillax, and actually turned it out to be in another manner. So it's a self journey that I have worked on in past few weeks. Not only from a professional point of view, but as a person also, I have evolved myself to another level, which I think is the more than anything that will be helping me for my, in my both personal and professional journey till the time I'm here on the earth. So a big thanks to you for that, and lot of insights that I have learned from the entire group. We call it in the Hindi, we call it Sangh. So thank you, Sangha, for that pure learning. I really enjoyed myself, connected with most of you, and I hope we will be connected, and we'll keep chattering and exchanging at least the WhatsApp with each one of you here.
I thought I know a lot about it, but it was when actually the session started, and it's not only the content. In fact, some of the speakers were so powerful. I would like to speak about Ankita, right? That day, it was actually, it really struck me. It really, I felt something else after that session.
Are you talking about the lady?
The PWD.
Oh, okay.
The PWD.
That was Anjali Vyas.
Anjali, I'm sorry, Anjali. So it really struck me, and I felt very different after it. I mean, my whole perspective to thinking, and it has started changing a lot. Lasting thank you to the entire group. I found this as a very, very safe space. I've been very, I didn't hesitate to share what was in my mind.
So first, I think I'm going to miss all of you. That's the first thing that comes to my mind. I mean, it's become, like I look forward. I had started looking forward. Every Friday afternoon will not feel the same. And I think overall, the quality of conversations that we have had here, I think they've been very enriching. For me personally, it's been eye-opening. I found, I met eye to eye with some of my own biases. I have, though I've been in, HR and all of that, I have not paid much attention to diversity, equity, and inclusion, to be honest with all of you. My whole exposure started early this year when I attended a conference, and that too at the insistence of a friend of mine who works in this space. That attending that conference was eye-opening for me. It was really eye-opening to know the differences and that we don't even fathom what it takes. And I have some personal experience because my husband has mobility issues which are recently developed last 4 years. And that's why my appreciation is even more increased, right? And then I realized that we're all so oblivious to people around us. So in that sense, this thing just popped into my email box. Vithal sent it to me and I said, yes, I'll take it as an opportunity to know more. And also the cadence of an exam and all of that, I was looking forward, to be honest. It builds some discipline. I've completely gone out of all of that. And thanks, Sonika. I think the module was well structured. And both Kunal and you, I think, fostered good conversation. So thanks, everybody. Thanks to you. We'll remain in touch, right? We have contacts and all of that.